Hello guys, this is your Pokemaster, and for today's video guys, it's be a quick video only. So I will just show you guys how the market is changing right now for Pokemon industry. So if you're a Pokemon investor or Pokemon collector, I think it's time for you to consider Pokemon Korean version. As you know, I made the video last time regarding this topic, and I show you the price of Glory of Team Rocket. So this one is the Destined Rivals for Korean version, and in my previous video guys, you can see there that the value is only 140 ringgit, but now it's already 173.8 ringgit. So this one guys is average. As you can see in other shop is 165, 165. So the price guys increased significantly for this Glory of Team Rocket in just one day, 1 to 2 days only guys. We're talking about 1 to 2 days. And for, of course, for the English version and for the Japanese version, it's more expensive. I think it's already 400 to 500 ringgit. So now 200, you can see Korean version 200, 170, 165. So I think guys, we're still early. We're still early on the Korean versions, and if you're an investor like me, it's time for you to jump in because there's no other perfect time for this except now. So after several months, you will thank me that you listen to my advice. But this is not what I say. This is just my personal advice. Okay, so don't blame me if your investment gone wrong. So I'm just telling you guys that it's really early for us right now to jump into this because it's not yet that hype like the English version and Japanese version. Actually, I started collecting Japanese version since 2024, and it's not yet that hype during that time. I can still buy some packs for box for 150 to 200 ringgit. But currently, the market is really exploding and the Pokemon market is going crazy even for Japanese versions. So it's really hard to get. Let's check, guys. Let's check the Japanese version of this Team Rocket, Glory of Team Rocket. So it's really hard to secure. It's really hard to secure right now. Some. Okay, so for the Japanese version, guys, let's see. Okay, Glory of Team Rocket. Sorry. This one they're showing the per pack. So majority of them in the in the Japanese version is not selling box anymore. Probably some of them are keeping it and hoarding it, and you know they will just bring it out when it's already very expensive. So that's the scarcity technique, because you know these packs are becoming crazy right now. And it's very popular. So imagine per pack, Japanese version per pack guys is 31 ringgit. It's very expensive. Okay, so for this one is 490. Okay, so it's very expensive guys. So as you can see guys, Korean versions were much cheaper, and I think it's time for us to jump into this. And probably I will let you know guys on the progress of my investment. So I will be receiving my first batch of Pokemon cards from Korea, from South Korea, probably this coming next week, and I will be posting in my, of course, in my YouTube channel. So please check that out, and hoping for a huge sale this coming year before the Christmas. And yeah, I think that's all for today guys. I will continue update you guys on what's happening on the Korean market. So if you're new to my channel guys, please give me a subscribe, give me a like, and please help us share this video and share other videos for me to be monetized. God bless, and thank you so much everybody. And I'll be giving a lot of giveaways by the way, since I order a lot of Korean Pokemon sets. So upon monetization, I'll promise to give some of the Korean best cards, you know, as a giveaway to those people who always support my video. Thank you so much. God bless, and that's all.